Third problem, if A equal to 7i minus 2j plus 3k, B equal to 2i plus 8k and C equal to I plus j plus k, then compute A cross B, A cross C and A cross of B plus C. Verify whether the cross product is distributive over vector addition. We know that the distributive law is A cross of B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. It is the left distributive. Okay. This we can check it. First, we have to write down what they have given the vectors. Given A vector equal to 7i minus 2j plus 3k, B vector equal to 2i plus 8k, C vector equal to I plus j plus k. First, we can find out the A cross B. It is equal to determinant I, j, k. A is the 7 minus 2, 3. B is 2, 0, 8. Find out the determinant I into 8 to the minus 16 minus 0 minus j into 7 8 the 56 minus 3 to the 6 plus k into 0 minus into minus 2 to the 4. It is equal to minus 16i minus 50j plus 4k. It is the A cross B. Next, we can find out the A cross C. A cross C equal to determinant I, j, k. A is 7 minus 2, 3. C is 1, 1, 1 equal to I into minus 2, 1s are minus 2, 1, 3s are 3 with minus j into 7, 1s are 7 minus 3, 1s are 3 plus k into 7, 1s are 7 minus into minus plus 2 equal to minus 5i minus 4j plus 9k. Next, we can find out the B plus C or adding of these two, A cross B plus A cross C. It is equal to minus 16i minus 50j plus 4k plus into minus 5i minus 4j plus 9k equal to minus 16i minus 5i. It is the minus 16 minus 5, that is the minus 21i minus 54j plus 4 plus 9 plus 13k. It is the A cross B plus A cross C. This is the right hand side value. Next, we can find out the B plus C. First, we can add B vector plus C vector. It is equal to 2i plus 8k plus I plus j plus k. It is equal to 3i plus j plus 9k. Next, we can take A vector cross of B vector plus C vector is equal to determinant I, j, k. A vector is 7 minus 2, 3. B plus C is 3, 1, 9. Find out the determinant. It is equal to I into 9 2s are minus 18. 3 1s are 3 with negative minus j into 7 9s are 63 minus 3 3s are 9. Next, plus k into 7 1s are 7 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. It is equal to minus 21i, 63 minus 9, it is the 54, minus 54j plus 13k. Both are same here. A cross of B vector plus C vector is equal to minus 21i minus 54j plus 13k. From 1 and 2, the distributive law, it satisfies A cross of B vector plus C vector is equal to minus 21i minus 54j plus 13k is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. So this is the satisfies the or verify the cross product is the distributive over vector addition. Fourth problem, they have given the A and C vectors. We can find out the B vector if they have given the relation A cross B equal to C, A dot B equal to 3. First, we have to take what they have given the vectors. Given that A vector is equal to I plus J plus K, C equal to J minus K. Let it be, let B vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Why? Because we don't know the B vector, we can find out the B vector from the relation. If they have given A cross B equal to C and A dot B equal to 3. Here, A cross B means A cross B equal to C means here we can take the determinant of A cross B, the cross product in between of the two vectors I, J, K. A vector is I, J, K with the addition I plus J plus K means components of or coefficients of I, J, K are 1, 1, 1. The B means X, Y, Z is equal to C vector is J minus K. Here find out the determinant I into Z minus Y minus J into Z minus X plus K into Y minus X is equal to J minus K. Here I comparing like coefficients both sides. Comparing like coefficients. Here Z minus Y is equal to 0. Minus of Z minus X equal to 1. Y minus X equal to minus 1. Here Z is equal to Y from the first relation. Here it is equal to Z equal to Y means minus. In the place of Z is Y minus X equal to 1 and Y minus X equal to minus 1. Solving of these two equations, minus Y plus X equal to 1, Y minus X equal to minus J, Z minus X, K, Y minus X equal to J minus K. Here Z plus minus Z. Okay. Here Z equal to Y is the one relation. Okay. Next here from 2 minus Z plus X equal to 1, Z equal to X minus 1. Okay. Here Y equal to X minus 1. Z equal to X minus 1, Y equal to X minus 1. Both are same values. Is it right? So Y is equal to X minus 1 equal to Z. This is the one relation. Next thing is A dot B is equal to 3. What is A? I plus J plus K dot X plus Xi plus Yj plus Zk equal to 3. The dot product X plus Y plus Z is equal to 3. Here substitute the values. If we have taken this, the same relation, this is also Y minus Y plus X equal to 1 means y minus x equal to minus 1. Here both equations are same. So we can take the relation, one is z equal to y, another one is y equal to x minus 1. So z equal to y equal to x minus 1. Here we can take a minus b. A dot B is equal to 3 is the one more relation, and we can take the dot product of the in between A and B vectors. We are getting the relation x plus y plus z equal to 3. Now we can substitute z equal to y equal to x minus y in above. So we get x plus x minus 1 plus z is also x minus 1 equal to 3. 3x minus 2 equal to 3. 3x equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. From this, we can write it as x equal to 5 by 3. X equal to 5 by 3 means y equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. It's 5 minus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. This is also z value. Therefore, b vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Here x is 5 by 3i, y is 2 by 3j, z is also 2 by 3k. This is the b vector equal to 1 by 3 into 5i plus 2j plus 2k. It is the required vector by the relation of a cross b equal to c and a dot b equal to 3. Fifth problem, a comma b comma c are three vectors with equal magnitudes. Equal magnitudes means the determinant, the modulus of the vectors equal to some constant, equal value. So let mod A vector equal to mod B vector equal to mod C vector having the equal magnitude means let it be K. And each of them is inclined at an angle 60 degrees. That is nothing but angle in between of A vector comma b vector is equal to b vector comma c vector equal to c vector comma a vector equal to 60 degrees. These are inclined vectors are 60 degrees. Angle is 60. To the others means a to b, b to c, c to a equal to 60 degrees. And what they have given relation? Given that modulus of a plus b plus c is equal to root 6. Then to find mod a value. That is nothing but if we can find out the mod a means already they have given the equal magnitudes means if we can find a means b is also k only, c is also k. What we are getting the modulus of a vector, then the same value is equal to the b and c also. For that, we can take the relation modulus of a plus b plus c whole square is equal to mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Just like a plus b plus c whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca like that. But here it is in vectors means we can take a dot b, b dot c, c dot a. And we have the relation with equal magnitude means in the place of modulus of a is k. So it is k square plus k square plus k square plus 2 into this a dot b means we know that a dot b is equal to modulus of a plus modulus of b. A dot b is nothing but modulus of a into modulus of b cos of a comma b. That is nothing but here we can take a dot b vector means modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector, cos theta, that is cos of A comma B is 60 degrees. In the same case, for B dot C also, mod B into mod C cos of B comma C means that is also 60 degrees plus mod C mod A cos of again C comma A is also 60 degrees. We know that cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 and mod A mod B value is also k only. So it is k square plus k square plus k square is 3k square plus 2 into it is k into 1 by 2 plus k into 1 by 2 plus k into 1 by 2. Taking the LCM, 3k square plus 2 into k square plus k square plus k square by 2. Why? Because all are having the denominator 2. 2 get cancelled. It is equal to 3k square plus 3k square. It is equal to 6k square. But they have given the relation determinant of a plus b plus c equal to root 6. That is nothing but this value is root 6 whole square. Square root cancel 6 6. Here 6 equal to 6k square. 6 cancel. K square is equal to 1. From this k is also equal to 1. So if k equal to 1 means we get the relation mod A equal to mod B equal to mod C equal to 1 only. Therefore, mod A equal to 1. It is the solution. Sixth one, for any two vectors A and B, show that 1 plus mod A square into 1 plus mod B square equal to modulus of 1 minus A dot B square plus modulus of A plus B plus A cross B whole square. Here, from left to right, it is a little bit difficult to find out. Why? Because these all are pluses only. The left side product is a plus, but in the right side negative. So it is little bit complicated. So we can take the right hand side terms. Here we can take RHS. RHS is equal to determinant of 1 minus A dot B square plus determinant of A plus B plus A cross B square. Here it is determinant of A minus B square equal to determinant A square plus determinant B square minus 2 into determinant A determinant B. From this we can take in the same case A plus B plus C whole square is also A square plus B square. What we did in the previous case, same like that only. Here it is equal to modulus of, it is A dot B is B. So mod 1 square plus modulus of A dot B means that is the A dot B whole square minus 2 into 1 into A dot B plus, this is taking as A, it is B, mod A plus B whole square plus mod A cross B whole square plus 2 into mod A plus B into mod A cross B. That is it. Or 2 into mod A plus B. Mod A cross B means we can take it as the product also. Okay. Or here A plus B plus C, A cross B. We can take it as cross product in between of two vectors. Here mod 1 square means 1 plus A dot B whole square is A dot B. The 2 into 1 is 2 into A dot B plus Again, it can be right expanded form. Mod a square plus mod b square plus 2 into a dot b plus modulus of a cross b means whole square means a dot a into b dot b minus a dot b whole square. This is the formula for a cross b mod square. So we can write it as a dot a into b dot b. A dot a is equal to 1, b dot b is equal to 1. Okay, it is mod a square mod b square minus of a dot b whole square plus 2 into a cross of a cross b plus b cross of a cross b distributive. It is equal to minus 2 into a dot b plus into 2 plus 2 into a dot b get cancelled. Here 1 plus a dot b whole square plus 2 into mod a square plus, okay, it is the multiple. So here no addition. Mod a square mod b square plus mod a square into mod b square minus of a dot b whole square. Here we know that a cross a equal to 0 equal to b cross b is 0. If in this relation a cross a is there, here b cross b is there, so it will be 0 plus 2 into 0. And here minus a dot b plus a dot b whole square are also get cancelled. It is equal to 1 plus mod a square plus mod b square plus mod a square into mod b square. Here we can take 1 plus mod a square is the one term. In the last two, taking common mod b square, then the remaining terms are 1 plus mod a square. It is equal to 1 plus mod a square into 1 plus mod b square. This is equal to LHS. Therefore, modulus of 1 minus a dot b square plus modulus of a plus b plus a cross b square equal to 1 plus mod a square into 1 plus mod b square. Again, I am explaining here. Here first we can take, it is nothing but a minus b mod square. That is mod a square plus mod b square minus of 2a into b, 2ab form. The second case is also modulus of a plus b means mod a square plus mod b square plus 2 into a plus b cross of a cross b. Why? Because here in this dot product is there, so we can multiple of a into b, dot product only. Here cross product is there, so we can take the cross product of in between of this. That is the change. Here 2 into a dot b is 2 into a dot b. The same it is as it is, mod r square both are a dot b whole square only. Here also a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is 2a dot b. Here modulus of a cross b whole square formula is mod a square mod b square minus a dot b square. A dot a is also a square, that is mod a square. Substituting that. And by the distribution a into a cross b, B cross of A cross B. Cross of A cross means we know that in that the repeated vector is there, then it will be 0 in the cross product. So A cross B and A cross A and B cross B are repeated vectors are there in the triple product. So it will be 0. So the last term will be 0. Here minus A dot B square plus A dot B square minus 2 into A dot B plus 2 into A dot B get cancelled. We can write the remaining terms. One is 1, another one is A square mod B square mod A square into mod B square. The first two terms, let it be one factor. In the last two terms, taking common mod B square, the remaining are 1 plus mod A square. We are getting that is the LHS. Seventh problem, it is 4 marks question. If A comma B comma C are unit vectors, those are unit vectors means their magnitude is equal to 1. Mod A, mod B, mod C equal to 1 unit vectors. Okay, why? Because if A comma B comma C are unit vectors. Next, A is perpendicular to the plane of B comma C. That is nothing but A comma B equal to A comma C equal to 0 degrees. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Okay. That is nothing but cos of A comma B is 90, cos of A comma C equal to 90. Next, and B comma C angle is equal to pi by 3. Next, we can find out the modulus of A plus B plus C. But we can take modulus of A plus B plus C whole square. Whole square means already we did in the previous problem, that is A plus B plus C whole square is mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Next here, mod A is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 into A dot B means mod A into mod B. Cos of A comma B is 90 degrees plus mod B into mod C into cos of B comma C is pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. 60 degrees plus mod C into mod A cos of 90 degrees. Substitute the value. Cos 90 or 0, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is 3 plus 2 into 0 plus it's 60 means 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 plus 0. This 2 get cancelled. It is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. Modulus of A plus B plus C whole square equal to 4. From this, modulus of A plus B plus C is equal to 2. The value is 2. This is 7 marks question, 8th problem. A equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. B is minus I plus 3j plus 2k. C equal to 4i plus 5j minus 2k. And D equal to I plus 3j plus 5k. Then compute the following A cross B, C cross D. Again, the cross product in between of the two vectors. The second one is A cross B. We get the vector with dot product of C minus A cross D with dot product of B and difference. First, we can take the A vector equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. B vector is minus I plus 3j plus 2k. C is 4i plus 5j minus 2k. And D is equal to I plus 3j plus 5k. So find out the A cross B equal to determinant I, J, K, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2. Find out the determinant I, minus 1 to the minus 2, minus 3 to the 6, minus J, 3 3 are 9, minus 1 1 are 1, plus K, 3 to the 6, minus into minus, plus 2 1 are 2. It is equal to minus 8I minus 8J plus 8K. Next to find out the C cross D equal to determinant I, J, K, C is 4, 5 minus 2, 1, 3, 5 equal to I into 25 plus 6 minus J into 5 fours are 20 plus 2 plus K into 4 threes are 12 minus 5 equal to 31I plus minus 22J plus 7K. Next, A cross B cross C cross D equal to determinant I, J, K. A cross B is minus 8, minus 8, 8. C cross D is 31 minus 22, 7. It is equal to I into 7 8s are minus 56 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 1 17 minus J into minus 56 minus 8 1s are 8 8 3s are 248 plus K into 176 minus into minus plus 8 1s are 8 8 3s are 24. It is equal to 56 means 120 I minus into minus plus here 8 plus 6 is 14 1 304 J plus 4 424 K. So here it is equal to A cross of B cross of C cross D equal to 120I plus 304J plus 424K. This is the first case. Second one is A cross of B dot C. Already here we found that A cross B is minus 8I minus 8J plus 8K dot C vector is 4I plus 5J minus 2K dot product minus 8 fours are 32 minus 8 fives are 40 minus 8 twos are 16. It is equal to 30 48 88 minus. Next to find out the A cross D dot here we didn't find the A cross D. So A cross D equal to determinant I, J, K. A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. D is 1, 3, 5 equal to I into minus 5 minus 6 minus J into 15 minus 2 plus K into 9 plus 1 equal to minus 11I plus 13J plus 10K. Here it is also minus 13J. Next to find out A cross D dot B vector minus 11I minus 13J plus 10K dot B vector is minus I plus 3j plus 2k equal to 11 plus 39 minus 39 plus into minus minus 39, 10 twos are 20. It's 31 minus 39. So minus 8. Next, A cross of B dot C minus A cross D dot B equal to minus 88 minus of minus 8 equal to minus 88 plus 8 equal to minus 80. Therefore, A cross of B dot C minus A cross D dot B equal to minus 80. It is the answer.